Hello there, Karla Sesskin here. Welcome to NY Beauty Arts Academy. I want to thank you for allowing me to go into your house, into your office or your studio and being able to be part of your journey. A little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Mexico, and I've been able to live all over the place in Europe and also in the United States. And that gave me the possibility to learn and achieve more than 35 international certifications for permanent makeup. However, I did find a lot of gaps in the industry when it comes to teaching and sharing the knowledge. That's why I developed my own manuals and my own videos and training materials with graphics and more information that can probably help you to understand the how and why. As an esthetician, facial specialist, and permanent makeup artist, I learned through mistakes that permanent makeup is simply that, permanent. That's why I want to remind you to stay focused on the practice in fake skin before you put your knowledge in action with real clients in real skin. Please be responsible about this and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. I will be available for you 24/7, and the only thing I'm asking you is to allow me a period of 24 hours to reply in case that you or me we are at that moment in different parts of the world. So get comfortable, get yourself a cup of coffee, and let's get to work.